Hi there, Tad Hargrave from marketingforhippies.com. Just a quick video today. I don't recommend cold marketing, the cold approach, cold calling people, knocking on doors, talking to total strangers at networking events, trying to get them to work with you. But if you are going to do a cold approach, which sometimes is required, here are 3 keys that I would recommend. First, it's vibe. Second, it's safety. Third, it's generosity. So vibe. You can check out marketingforhippies.com/vibe chart. I'll see if I can remember to put the link below. But basically not collapsing, not posturing, but being composed, having a good vibe, being good-natured about it. Very helpful. There's a lot to say about vibe, but that is an important thing. Having a chill vibe when you approach people instead of aggressive vibe makes a big difference. Number 2, safety. So safety meaning giving people lots of ways to check you out from a distance, because maybe you have an initial conversation with them and then they need to think about it and they want to just check you out, see your back catalog, see what you're all about. So the more pink spoons, the little samples of your work that you have, videos, written things, audio tracks, your website, your bio, your My Philosophy page, your My Ideal Client page, your whole social media, etc. The more that you have, the safer it is for them to check you out from a distance, the faster the trust is going to build if it's completely cold. And third is generosity, starting from this place of generosity, of giving first. So, and the other thing is, I would say that affects the vibe, to go back to that, it's the vibe comes from your intention in the conversation to see if it's a fit, to get to the truth, not to get the sale. If you want to kill your vibe, have a hidden agenda to get them to say yes, and you won't even have to think about what to do. It'll just kill the vibe, yeah? So vibe really comes from intention, fundamentally, which is why we collapse, because we have a hidden agenda to get people to love us or like us, and why we posture, because we have a hidden agenda to get people to respect us and value us. And in sales, the hidden agenda is to get them to buy. So number 1, intention. Number 2, safety. Number 3, generosity. Starting from a generous place where we give first. It kind of greases the wheels. It lets them know we're not just there to take. I'm not saying just give forever when it's not a fit. Fundamentally, we're trying to find if it's a fit. But if you start from a place of like, hey, I've got this free thing for you to check out. Connected to the pink spoons a bit, but maybe you talk to them and you say, you know what, hey, I got this thing I got to send you. I normally charge for it, but let me just send it your way because I think this will be helpful. If you start from that place of generosity, of giving, it opens people up. Not to your manipulations, it opens people up to a real human conversation about whether it's a fit or not. So vibe comes from intention, safety comes from giving people ways to check you out at a distance, and then generosity, starting by giving them something that'll be genuinely useful for them, rather than saying, hey, trust me. You say, hey, I trust you. Here's something for free, no pressure. I trust you to make the right decision of whether or not we're a fit. It's totally fine, either way. So if you're going to do a cold approach, I recommend those 3 things as considerations. Thanks so much for watching the video. If you hit the red subscribe button, the bell icon, you'll be notified when I do more videos coming up. And that's it for today. Thanks.